Hey signers, summer is here, which hopefully means hot yet relaxing days by the pool, vacation time, and cooking out, which are all signs you'll learn in this video. It also means you might have more time in your schedule to learn something new. Well, we offer live interactive classes throughout the year that are perfect for someone wanting to grow their ASL skills. These intensives consist of 6 live classes, all in 3 jam-packed weeks. These are not only effective, but they are tons of fun. For all the details, visit the link in the description. Now, let's learn how to sign summer signs. Summer. Summer. It's just like you're dripping sweat off your forehead during the summer. Summer. Sun. Sun. It's a C-shaped hand coming out from your eyes, and you can even show the sun shining down or a circular motion and then it shining down on your face. Sun. Hot. Hot. Your hand is twisting out from your mouth like it's something that's touched your mouth and it's too hot. Hot. Warm. Warm. It's like you're blowing warm air out of your mouth. Warm. Swimming. Swimming. You're just acting like you're swimming. Swimming. Play. Play. Play, you're using Y hands and they're bouncing around like they're playing. Play. Rest or relax. Your arms are crossed over your body like you're resting. Rest or relax. Vacation. Vacation. You have 5 hands coming up to your armpits. Think of wearing a backpack on vacation. Vacation. Holiday or holiday. You have 5-shaped hands coming up to your armpits. You'll either tap them or move them back and forth. Holiday, holiday. Travel, travel. You have 2 bent fingers moving around like you're going from place to place. Travel. Oversleep or sleep in. Do the sign sleep and then the sun is coming up and you're still asleep. Oversleep or sleep in. Ice cream. Ice cream. Envision your dominant hand is holding an ice cream cone and you're licking it. Ice cream. Hamburger. Hamburger. You're just making the shape of the hamburger patty. Hamburger. Hot dog. Hot dog. Your hands are making the hot dog. Hot dog. Picnic. Picnic. You have closed hands bringing them back and forth together. Picnic. Mountain. Mountain. It's the sign rock going up. Mountain. Lake or lake. It's the sign water with area or water and showing a shape of a circle. Lake, lake. Ocean or ocean. Ocean with water and the waves or showing the waves themselves. Ocean, ocean. Hike, hike. You have 3 fingers pointed down. It's like the sign walk, but you could also show you're hiking, making it a really difficult walk or hike. Park, park. You just fingerspell P-A-R-K. Park. Amusement park. Amusement park. You have bent V's that are moving around like a Ferris wheel. Amusement park. Boat. Boat. You have your hands making the shape of the boat and bouncing it just a little bit. Boat. Cruise. Cruise. Your hands are making the shape of a boat, and then you're moving it along, showing that you're cruising along the ocean. Cruise. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. You're showing the sign sun and glasses together. Sunglasses. Outside or to go outside. This is a noun-verb pair. Outside moves twice, and to go out moves once. Outside, to go out. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Whew, it's hot. I want some ice cream. Whew, hot. Ice cream, want I. Where are you going on vacation? Vacation, go where you? Do you want a hamburger or a hot dog? Hamburger, hot dog, want which you? This summer, we are going on a cruise. Summer, cruise, we go. Great job! Keep practicing these signs all summer long and have fun with your friends and family. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.